guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to do a quick review on my thoughts on the newest product from Rothy's, which is their face mask. So if you want to hear my thoughts on that, then just keep watching. Okay guys, so at this point I have worn a lot of different cloth face masks. I have bought a ton of ones from Etsy. So I have bought myself a lot of face masks and I bought these ones from Rothy's. So basically how they come is they come in packs of 2 and it's basically made out of like a plastic mesh material, very similar to just like Rothy's shoes in general. However, it does seem like it's a bit more tightly woven. It seems a little bit thicker than the normal material, which is good to just kind of help keep the germs, you know, not going through the holes. So this is what it looks like on the inside. Around the nose and the sides, they have these little like, I think they're just things to like help keep it from sliding and also just make it a little bit more comfortable. And then they have the straps that go around your ears. Overall, I would say I am quite happy with these masks. One thing that I really like about them is they are, I would say, very good at not falling down. I would say the biggest problem that I've run into with cloth face masks is that they just like fall down and you have to be touching your face, which is obviously not a good thing. So these masks are very good at not falling down. I would say they're quite comfortable and they're just like very sturdy and heavy duty. Like they feel very good quality and they don't slide around on my face, which is like the biggest thing. I would say the only problems that I have experienced with them is I still do get a little bit of fog from in my glasses wearing this. So it's not a complete seal around my nose. I will say it is better than most masks I've tried in terms of not fogging up your glasses, but it's not perfect. There's still a little bit of fog that I get with this. I would say the number one like mask hack that I have found that has been like the biggest lifesaver for me when it comes to wearing cloth face masks is to use body tape. So I will link down in the description the body tape that I use, which I think is like, it's not that expensive and it is 100% worth it because basically all I do is I put like one strip of the body tape on my nose and then I stick the mask to my nose and it completely solves the problem of my mask falling down, which I haven't had to use it with this because this, I think it's this way it's structured, it hasn't really fallen down, but the tape seriously will change your life if you have to wear masks on a regular basis and that you have a problem with it falling down. It also creates a seal like on your nose, so it prevents air like getting up under your glasses and it like will drastically cut the amount that your glasses fog up because basically the air is like, when you breathe out, it will come out like the sides and the bottom rather than like going up top by your eyes. So that is seriously like the biggest lifesaver. Other than that, the only real negative that I think is a pretty significant negative of these is you cannot wash them with heat. You can only wash them on with cold water, which is true of just like washing Rothy's shoes and all their products, which I think is a pretty big negative for a face mask, which obviously when you clean it, you want to get it as clean as possible. And personally, I would prefer that this be able to be washed in hot water because I think that that's just like more hygienic for cleaning a cloth face mask or cleaning a face mask in general. So that's my only real negative about it. But overall, I would say it's comfortable, it doesn't slide around, and it seems very well made. So yeah, that's my thoughts on it. If you've tried out this mask, let me know your thoughts. And that's it. Bye guys.